Well, discovered that it runs without the crank sensor, so the optical sensor's okay. This thing is just smoking like a banshee, though, white smoke. Running alright, but it's just smoking like crazy. But I'm going to try to show you the amount of shaft play that this turbo has. It doesn't have a lot of oil up front, which I'm assuming that's a good thing, because there's nothing coming out of the CDR. There's no blow-by. It's a brand new motor. But I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. But there is quite a bit of shaft play there. It spins freely. However, I'm trying to get the light that you can see that there's quite a bit of play there. I'm hoping that most of the that smoke is from this turbo. I just purchased a known good one, actually, out of the classifieds. But this motor's got brand new heads, brand new rings, bearings. There's really no other reason as to why this thing would be smoking other than the turbo just pissing it into the exhaust. So, other than that, as far as that crazy timing issue, I'm starting to think that it might have been the crank sensor going wacky, because I really can't think of anything else causing it. If you guys think of anything, let me know. I appreciate you watching.